Hey, and today I want to share with you my easy method to prepare vegetable soup, okay? And I'll be using goat meat, I'll be using bell pepper, I have onion, here's my palm oil, I have cow skin, I have water snail, I have my dried fish, I have garlic, chili, crayfish, and I have Maggi cubes and chicken flavor, and I have salt. And this is the vegetable I'll be using, water spinach. Okay, so let's bring this right into a bowl. Please click the like buttons and enjoy this one. I'll bring in my goat meats, my water snail, add salt, add Maggi, add my pepper, add onions, garlic, we'll add some water, cover and blend. I'll add my chili right in the pot, my blended chili. Cover and still cook it. I'd like to blend the bell peppers, my bell peppers, garlic, add little water, blend this. Now I'll try to cook this to drain off the water. Add this here. And let this cook to drain off water. We have enough stock already, so let's stir our ingredients together. This soup does not require much water because we'll be using water spinach. So we'll cook this to dry off the water. This time I will add up my chicken flavor and my cow skin, and also add my dry fish and mix this together. I'll cover and continue to cook. Meanwhile, here our bell peppers is dried already, so I'll fry the bell pepper and add, mix together. Meanwhile, let's prepare our vegetable. Now I'll add some water and wash it. Wash your vegetable thoroughly with salt. So here's our vegetable. Let's go fry the bell pepper. Oil. In our pan, I'll add some oil. Add our onion. As my oil gets hot, I added my onion. And I'll bring in my bell peppers. I like to spend enough time to fry my pepper base, okay? To make it very tasty. Now back to our meat. Let me add in our crayfish at this time. Our meat is doing very good. You can see the water is almost, you can see the stock is dried up. This is what we want. Let there be no stock right in, because we're using water spinach that will produce much water later. So now stir this up and add into our meat. Now we'll add this right into our meat pot, okay? You already know what it's gonna be like. Stir properly, mix together. Now bring in our vegetables. Now add in my water spinach, okay? This is gonna produce all the water we need in the soup. On low heat. So after a few minutes, you can see we have enough water. I will not continue cooking it because I don't want much water. So this is how I want it. And I like to eat my vegetable and make it feel fresh and crispy. So I will turn off the heat and our vegetable soup is ready to serve.